Hey guys, so the title of this video is, and I'm gonna keep it relatively short. The title of this video is what is a front end developer? Now, opposed to like say a UI developer, who, and I'm not trying to lessen the value of a UI developer, but what I'm saying is a UI developer mainly focuses on primarily the UI, right? Whatever is just HTML, CSS, whatever you interact with on the page. Things that a front-end developer does, basically. But what an actual front-end developer, according to the industry today, means is somebody who is an expert in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and somebody who is extremely well-founded in the basics of JavaScript. And I think that's essential for a good front-end developer. Not jQuery, not React, not any library, not any abstraction, but core vanilla JavaScript. You understand what's going on underneath the hood, and once you do that, then it's easy to, as a front-end developer, to understand what's going on underneath the hood. You have libraries that are coming out like pretty much on a weekly basis, monthly basis, and you have a lot of people nowadays that kind of like jump on the bandwagon and just, find the next hot library, whatever's trending, whatever's popular, jump on the bandwagon, take a few Treehouse courses, egghead.io, and, whatever else you can find on YouTube, which is great, but there's nothing worse, in my personal opinion, than reading somebody, like, for example, React code that really doesn't understand what JavaScript actually does, like understanding the actual fundamentals of JavaScript. And that could mean things like understanding the execution context, the order of things. Like a good front-end developer should understand the stack flow of how things are rendered, for the execution context in terms of, like, say, when you're using promises, when you have nested promises and you're making all these complicated fetch calls, you have to understand the basics, because that's where it all stems from. And I think, honestly, for a lot of the juniors out there who are just getting into front end or just software development in general, I would say whatever language that you're choosing to go on to learn, understand the basics first. Spend as much time mastering the basics, the ABCs, and then move forward. Otherwise, don't even bother, because then you're just gonna be playing catch up all the time, and it's not worth it. Once you understand, like, guys, this is very important to understand that people in the industry are looking for someone they're looking to hire people who are well-grounded, that understands the basics at pretty much like a professional level, because only then can you just learn fast and pick up some other library within hours, or however long it takes you, and like to learn in a fast-paced way. But yeah, that's in my opinion of good front-end developers, someone who's an expert master at HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and someone who knows what considerations to make when building a project, not just choosing the tools, but understanding what the problem is, what the requirements are, and then choosing the tools. Someone who understands the importance of choosing the right tools in terms of resources, time management, meeting deadlines, and scalability and reusability of code when necessary. In terms of tools, I would say things like Webpack, Node.js, bundlers, etc., Webpack, and preprocessors like Sass and Less can help. But those are like the core basics. And like I said, I said it once, I'll say it again. Understanding the very basics of JavaScript for a front-end developer is essential. Yeah, leave your thoughts below. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.